Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Bright English Bites. Today's topic is about how to introduce yourself in English confidently. So let's start and dig into the video. Step 1. Greeting. Always start with a smile and a simple greeting like Good morning, my name is Ananya Das. Step 2. Your name and where you are from. Say your name clearly and you can share your city, town, or country. Example: I am Riya Sharma and I am from Madhya Pradesh. Step 3. What you do. Mention your job, studies, or role. For example, if you are a student, say, I am a student of class 10. And if you are working, say, I work as a teacher in a school. Step 4. Hobbies or interest. This makes your introduction more interesting. Example, in my free time, I enjoy reading books and listening to music. So at the end, let's say it aloud. Good morning. How are you? My name is Riya Sharma and I'm from Madhya Pradesh. I work as a teacher in a school and in my free time I enjoy reading books and listening to music. That's a little about me. Thank you for listening. For getting more this kind of videos, please do like, share and subscribe.